So I legit was in the car, and guess what? Apparently, it was 106 degrees. Freaking, oh my god. Georgie, you need to lower your weather, please. Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god, lower them. Cause, yeah. And you can't see my face because I'm not doing a face reveal yet. I don't feel like it. So once I hit like 1,000,000 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. Peace out, y'all. But yeah, it was freaking 106 degrees in the car. The seats were about melted. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys need to lower your weather, please. It was burning.